Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream with yogurt. First, gather your simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of full-fat Greek yogurt, which provides a rich and creamy base. Next, add about 1/4 cup of your preferred sweetener, like honey or maple syrup, adjusting to your taste. Finally, a teaspoon of vanilla extract will elevate all the flavors, making your homemade treat truly special and delicious. Once you have your ingredients, it's time to mix them. In a large bowl, combine the yogurt, sweetener, and vanilla extract. Whisk everything together until it's completely smooth and well incorporated. Then, pour this delicious mixture into a shallow, freezer-safe container. Place it in the freezer for at least 2 hours, making sure to stir it every 30 minutes. This helps break up ice crystals and ensures a smoother, creamier texture. To achieve that perfect creamy texture, you have a couple of options. If you have an ice cream maker, transfer the partially frozen mixture to it and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions. This is the easiest way to get a smooth result. If not, simply continue freezing the mixture for another 4 to 6 hours, stirring it thoroughly every hour. This extra effort will prevent large ice crystals and give you a delightful, scoopable yogurt ice cream. Now for the fun part, customizing your yogurt ice cream. Feel free to swirl in about 1/2 cup of your favorite fruit puree, like strawberry or mango, or add some mini chocolate chips for a delightful crunch. When serving, top it with fresh berries, chopped nuts, or a little extra drizzle of honey. It's a versatile treat you can enjoy anytime. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, healthy, and delicious yogurt ice cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.